Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
For Mr. Vida, can you just give us a sense of, like, in the last 6 years, how has Skechers evolved as a brand in India, and what have you learned from the Indian market?
Well, the introduction. Hello. Yeah. When Rebecca was talking about Skechers in the first part, I can say we are the fourth largest brand in the country today. So in the last 6 years, that's the growth that we have had, and we are growing pretty strong in India. I can say that, and we see a whole lot of opportunity in India. It's just about how much and how fast we can grab that. So it's been a pretty exciting journey in India for us.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Yeah, Mr. Rahul, I have a question for you. I have a bread throat. Yes. I have a question that as the Indian, like Mumbai roads are very bad, especially in monsoon. So how these shoes will be good for us, even for anybody can wear it during the monsoons too?
Yeah, so like I said, with the bottom that is designed over here, okay, you can wear it on any surface. So even Mumbai roads, I run in these on Mumbai roads, okay, there's no problem. So yes, however, having said that, one always has to be careful. Okay, I mean, you can't say because I'm wearing the shoe and, I can be a Superman.
That's true.
But yeah, it's absolutely, safe. You can run in these shoes in Mumbai, on Mumbai roads, there's no problem.
And what's the price range that you have kept for the shoes?
Sorry?
Price range? Sorry, I have a bad
Price
today. Yeah.
Okay, so this is getting launched at 9,999 rupees.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, my name's Avirat. My question's to Rahul sir. Considering you just gave us a little more detail about the pricing, my question to you, sir, what exactly is your customer base, what you're looking at, and what kind of sort of market that you think that there will be for this product?
Okay, let me answer it a little differently.
Sure, sir.
India as a country, is moving towards, a fit country, if I have to say. We are moving into, making ourselves fitter. If you look at marathons, okay, the number of marathons that are happening in the country today and the number of people participating in marathon is just increasing day by day. So when you see all this, it's a huge opportunity. Within that, you will have guys who are beginners who want to, just start running. So they would do probably the 5 kilometers or the, 10 kilometers. And there are professionals who want to do the 21 and the 42, the full marathon. So when we see that, there's a huge opportunity in the country today. So, I don't see, or rather I would say I'm pretty positive about looking at our country today and, looking at the market that is available, whether it is men, women, any age bracket. Yeah.
This one's for Rahul. Rahul, hi. Really appreciate you mentioning that in a very short time span, you are the fourth largest brand. The journey gets tougher from here, as you would anticipate. I wanted to know from you, given that organically you've grown well and you're in the fourth spot, do you have any kind of a differentiated proposition going forward which will get you to number one? So are you looking at inorganic growth or stuff like that?
Oh, well, all I can say is India is a market with a huge opportunity. As of now, I think we're pretty much doing the organic part of it because as a company and as a brand, there are so many product lines that we have just started offering to the Indian consumers. Skechers as a brand is available or is into lifestyle, fashion, performance across the board. What you see in the last few years is we have started offering, lifestyle products to our Indian consumers. So if I look at it from that perspective, and from our global assortment that we offer in India, there's so many more, product lines that we can bring to India and offer it to our consumers. So for us, I think it's going to be organic. There are so many markets we still have to enter. There are so many micro markets that we are looking at entering to. So I think India is huge, and for us, the roadmap is clear. We know what we are going to be doing. I can't give out too many things, okay, but I can just tell you at a macro level.